Hi everybody, we start the mathematics practice for pharmacy student. We start with sample 1. In the sample 1 we have a question, how much 15 and 16 concentrated solution should be mixed to obtain 20 kilogram of 30%. In this situation I write detail. We have a solution 1. We don't know amount, but we know that's 15%. Solution 2, we don't know how much, but we know the 60%. We add together, and the result will be 20 kilogram of total solution with concentration of 30%. First, we have to write this formula. Okay, N1C1, mass of first mass multiplied C1, concentration of first. Second mass multiplies C2 and total mass multiplies C total. Now we put the detail. M1 we put here, C1 here, M2 here, and C2 here. And we have a C a total 30 and M a total 20. And also we know the mass of the M1 plus 2 is 20 kilogram. And as you see here, if we write both formula each other, and we put in this direction, we have to multiply this in the 15. Then the first line minus the second line. In this situation, the result will be 15 minus 15 will be 0. 60 minus 15 will be 45. 600 minus 300 will be 30. Then M2 will be 300 divide 55, it will be around 67. And we know the sum of this sum will be 20, and I put M2 here, and M1 can be 13.33. Okay, kilogram. Second question, plot the equation and find the domain, half-life, and transformation. Okay, it's very easy. Because, for example, if we want to draw the 2 power x, first we have to find always, it is here, in the x is 0, 1 is for the y. And what is the number here? 2. I have to find the 2 here. Okay? And go 1 in the x-axis and find second equation, and always come from here, go this direction. It is a 2 power x. Okay, domain is R, and range is just y is the bigger than 0. But for transformation, if we have x plus 1, we go to the left because it is a plus 1. Negative 1, if in the power, then we go to the right. Okay, then we can say this equation will be, this equation will be y equal to power x minus 1. But in the minus 1, it is in the y-axis, for example, 2 power x minus 1. In this situation, we go 1 down. If the positive 1, we have to go 1 up, like here. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one, you ask me the logarithm of the x in 2. If you see here, for the logarithm of 2x, the domain is always x power than 0, bigger than 0. As you see here, for the draw of it, we need at this point, always 1 in the x-axis. And always, because it is in the logarithm base is 2, I have to find 2 here and go just 1 up. Now, because of this 2 point, okay, if I come from here, go pass from 2 and go this direction. This one, the result of this equation. Okay, again, if we have x-axis negative, we go to the right side. If it is a positive, go left side. If the negative one outside, will we go down? If we positive one, go up. It is one of the easiest questions we can do. In the question 3, plot the formation function of the transformation half-life equation. Write equation a straight line passing from the point of 1 and minus 2, and the slope is 2. Okay, calculate the 0 point, also very easy. It is very one of the easiest questions, because if I want to do this, it is very easy, because if, for example, if I want to draw this, I found these points first. Okay, 1 minus 2, this is the point of this one, this is our point. Okay, from this point, it is our point. Okay, I go always 1 right, and its slope is 2, I have to go 2 up. 1 up, 2 up, because its slope is 2. This is the second point, is B, and if they bind each other and continue, okay, will be our line. How I can find the equation? I have to write formula. Y minus YA equal R multiply X minus XA. I put a number here. Y minus 2 equal R is 2, X minus 1, because I show you. Minus 2 I put here because of y, and X I put here will be minus 1, and A is 2 I put here. Now I can simplify this question. Y plus 2 equal 2 plus X minus 2, and I send this minus plus to other side, and it will be Y equal 2X plus 4. Okay, it's one of the easy questions, and we can find it very easily. How is this question? Okay. Excuse me, it is I did a mistake here. It will be minus 4, because I put 2 go other side, will be minus 4. And the domain is R, because it is the domain is R. What is the 0 point? One of the 0 point is here. How I can calculate the 0 point? Because I know the equation. Y equal 2X minus 4. I can find very easily the 0 point. One of the 0 point is Y is equal 0. It will be 2X minus 4 equals 0. 2X equal 4. X equal 4 divided 2 is 2. One of the point, it is a 2. I can show you here, it is a 2. This is the one of the 0 point. The other one, when the X is 0, okay, when the X is 0, it's Y equal 2 multiply 0 minus 4, Y 4 equal minus 4. We can find here, it is a minus 4, here is the other point is a 0 point. It is very important. For transformation, okay, we can do this very easily. The other question, excuse me, he said, write the formula and the function, give the following figure, explain the solution. We have to know how we can find this equation. This equation is partially is a logarithmic, but the x-axis is normal, but y-axis is the logarithmic. In this situation, I have to show, because it is a 0, it is a 1, it is a minus 1, it is a minus 2. Here is the, for example, y-axis. Here is the logarithmic I show by z. Okay, very easily. Or opposite, I can show it opposite. I can show it is a z, it is a y-axis. How we can find? I find the 2 points, which I know absolutely. One is this here. The other point is I know here. This point is because x is 0 and y is 1. The other one, B, is the x is 5 and y is minus 1. Now I can write a big formula, y minus ya divide equal y minus yb minus ya divide xb minus xa multiply x minus xa. It is a very nice equation. I put a number here, y minus 1 equal yb is minus 1 minus 1, xb is 5 minus 0, multiply x minus xa is 0. Y minus 1 equal, it will be minus 2 divide 5 times x. Y equal minus 2, 5x. But I know from here, y-axis is the log. Then instead of y, I put log of z equal minus 2.5 because it is a 10. X because y, but the y-axis is in the 10 logarithmic base. Then I can write z equal base power minus 2 per 5 times x. It will be z. It is our equation after this graph. Okay. It is the first part of the solution about 4 equation about the sample of this test, and it will be very important for first part.